So, I'm working on something kind of inspired by the Vsauce Lean Back. He makes playlists. He has these kind of videos in between each video. He shows other people's content. I just wanted to make an easy way for someone new to the channel to click on this and watch through all of my videos. Because we're all stuck inside, so watch this and enjoy. The original introduction video gets a little bit long and wordy, so I just wanted to give you the basic theme of the channel. We are a homemade / DIY version of Stark Industries, so we'll go through. We started working on MCU-based technologies and inventions, but we've moved on to other science fiction technologies and even to inventing our own stuff. So if any of the videos get boring, you can just skip and come right back to me introducing the next video. The first video I have for you, we made Keelan, is the other guy on this channel. Anyway, Keelan, we made him shoot like Iron Man. We made him shoot Roman candles on New Year's Eve. He shot Roman candles from his arm. He taped a Roman candle right here so that he could shoot. He tried to do both arms at once, but it didn't work. So this video, it's really short, just shows the results of that. So